Today, at the Illumination, we will be talking about something that is scientifically proven to be life-changing and extremely easy to do, yet most of us forget about it. We are talking about the transformative powers of shukr, which are backed by science. This is not bro science or the WhatsApp forward science, but many scientific studies prove that there is an undeniable link between shukr and happiness. This is the Illumination, and let's dive deep into the psychology of shukr.
يا نفس إن لم تظفري لا تجزعي.
First, let's understand shukr. In Islamic teachings, shukr is more than a gesture, it's a state of mind. It involves expressing gratitude towards Allah for the countless blessings in our lives. Now let's understand how it's scientifically linked to happiness. In 2003, a study was conducted by Emmons and McCullough to know if there's any link between expressing gratitude and happiness. In this study, participants were randomly assigned to 3 groups. The first group wrote daily about things they were grateful for, the second about daily irritations, and the third recorded events with no specific focus. After 10 weeks, those who expressed gratitude reported feeling more optimistic and satisfied with their lives compared to the other groups. This study had shown that regular gratitude practice is associated with increased well-being and life satisfaction. Modern neuroscience supports the idea that expressing gratitude stimulates the release of dopamine and serotonin, the brain's feel-good chemicals. Basically, when you express gratitude, it activates areas in your brain associated with reward and pleasure, triggering the release of dopamine and serotonin. These neurotransmitters contribute to positive emotions and a sense of well-being. Martin Seligman, who is a psychologist, conducted a study in 2002 where he found out that gratitude or shukr mirrors positive psychology principles, where focusing on what we are grateful for can lead to increased resilience, optimism, and overall life satisfaction. The Islamic wisdom, the Quranic emphasis on gratitude echoes these positive psychology principles, reinforcing the connection between a thankful heart and a flourishing life. The Quran mentions, "If you are grateful, I will surely increase your favor." This verse underlines a reciprocal relationship between gratitude and blessings, offering solace in times of hardship. Implementing shukr in daily life involves actions like regular prayer, expressing thanks to Allah and people around us. This aligns with both Islamic teachings and scientific recommendations. So, the connection between shukr and increased well-being is clear. The Islamic concept of gratitude aligns seamlessly with modern scientific findings, providing a holistic approach to a happier and more fulfilling life. Thank you for joining us on this exploration. If you found this information valuable, please like this video.